In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default search location in Microsoft Outlook 365. Improving how search works in Outlook can save a lot of time, especially if you deal with a large number of emails every day. By adjusting your default search location, you can make sure the results appear exactly where you expect them, helping you find messages faster and with less effort. To begin, open your web browser and go to a search engine page. In the search bar, type Outlook and continue to the official Microsoft Outlook website from the results. Once the page loads, sign in to your account so you can access your mailbox. This process is based on Outlook for the web, although similar options may also be available in the desktop version, depending on your setup. After entering your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This will open a quick Settings panel. From there, choose the option to open full settings so you can access more detailed configuration options. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to the General section from the left-hand side. This area contains many core preferences that control how Outlook behaves. Once inside General Settings, locate and select the Search option. This is where you can control how Outlook handles search functions and what areas it includes when looking for results. On this page, find the section labeled Search Scope. This setting determines where Outlook searches by default whenever you enter a query. To make your searches more focused and efficient, select the option for the current folder. This ensures that Outlook will only search within the folder you are actively viewing, such as your inbox or any specific folder you have opened. This can help reduce unnecessary results and make it easier to locate important emails quickly. Below this setting, you may also see an option to include deleted items in your search. If you enable this, Outlook will also look through deleted messages when searching. This can be useful if you often recover emails, but it may also increase the number of results shown. Once you have made your selections, save your changes to apply the new settings. The update will take effect immediately, and your future searches will follow the new behavior. From now on, Outlook will prioritize searching within your chosen folder, helping you stay more organized and efficient. If you ever need to adjust this again, you can simply return to the same settings area and update your preferences. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell